Hello, my name is Making Track. I'm at Chinnor today as we explore the Chinnor and Princes Risborough Heritage Railway. So the Chinnor and Princes Risborough Heritage Railway is a branch line of the Great Western Railway. However, Princes Risborough, as you may know, is a Chiltern Railway station. The branch line used to go towards Watlington, and the volunteer company is trying to get to the station before Watlington. This is due to the presence of a recently built motorway, which is going to prevent the Heritage Railway extend all the way to Watlington. So we're going to be doing Chinnor in a second, but we're going to go to Princes Risborough first. There'll be a bubble car coming and we'll board it, look around Princes Risborough, then come back here to explore Chinnor. So this is our train. It's a class 121. It's a Relevant D locomotive. I don't know what operator it belongs to, but I'm guessing Great Western because of the word Marlow. Sorry, hood's on, it's raining. So the train is going to take fuel, then we're going to board on it. So we'll see it go back. So the train just arrived, and we're going to go to Princes Risborough. Then we're going back to Chinnor to explore Chinnor. I am wearing a high vis because I'm currently doing my crossing keeper training, and I'll be doing a video about crossing keeping.
Whiskey, Romeo Whiskey, this is Romeo Charlie, over. There you go, that's the whiskey. Oh, Romeo Charlie. Just see the one, yeah, around it. So, you'd be entirely right. Doesn't help, there's a green bushel. Yeah, something was rather useful bush in the way. So that's the same place to stand. Yeah. On this side. Yes. It's quite sinister, actually, isn't it? You just see this yellow appearing. Yeah, this one stop playing cricket. You want to stop for a beer? Okay. The cricket. They'll stop to wait. They're all very friendly, you will, from time to time, find a keeper that calls it here. Yeah. Right. And that's just too early. Yeah. Yes. The only one left now. City crossing is clear. Down. Yeah, really want to see the front. Yeah. Because here's the stop board. Yeah. They've got very little time to react. So once the brakes go in, committed. And see how steep and curved it is. Otherwise it's not a big brake. Or restart it. It's not that one, yes. Yeah. Road sets are made, yeah. Road sets are made. So I take the junction, distance and run around I saw a video the other day of somebody, and I can't remember even where it was. Somebody did a total exchange with one hand. Right. Delivering one picking one up. But with one hand. How do you do that? Well, you saw the video. Yeah, but unfortunately, it wasn't close enough. So they told you they were doing it, but you couldn't see how. don't do exchanges here because
Leave at 12:35, chaps.
okay. If anybody wants.
Yeah, I'm good. Welcome to Princes Risborough. You might know this station for its Chiltern Railway platforms over there. Let's do a platform check first. So we've got platform 1 where the buffers is, platform 2, and then we've got platform 3 right here, and then we have platform 4 right here. So what is there at Princes Risborough? You've got this shelter just right here, as well as another one just right here. Beyond here is a signal box, and we got also some Great Western Railway benches here, which outlines the fact that this is a Great Western Railway branch, not a Chiltern Railway one. Okay, so I'm going to just give a quick explanation. The reason why you got a cab view is because, as I said, I'm doing a level crossing training, and we were in the guard area, which gives us a view out of the front. But this is Princes Risborough, and yeah, I think there's a train coming. So now we've done Princes Risborough, let's go back to Chinnor. But probably not that train we're going back to Chinnor in, but the one I'm in. And welcome back to Chinnor. Let's have a look what there is. So what is there at Chinnor? Well, as this train departs, it will be taking itself back to the depot, which you saw at the beginning of the video. And there's a steam train currently there, going to come back to this platform, and I'm going to go back on it and get home. But what else is there? So we've got this carriage, which is currently closed at the moment, which, if you look closely, has a model railway inside. Sorry, it's a bit blurred. More Great Western Railway benches. This building here, which is actually built by the volunteers, completely from scrap. In here is the is where the model railway for kids to push, and the cafe area is. More Great Western Railway benches, and that's about it. I'm gonna go inside. Please remember to like and subscribe. This is exploring the Chinnor and Princes Risborough Heritage Railway, and I'll see you next time.